Hello friends, in this video I will show how to set 16:9 resolution in PowerPoint presentation. Once you click on slide show, so click on design. Here click on slide size. Here you can select standard, this is the 4:3 and wide screen 16:9. So select here 16:9. In case this 4:3 is selected, so click here and select wide screen. And there are some more size. Once you click on custom slide size, so here you have to select this one, on screen show 16 column 9. Also you can select portrait or landscape. For slides, notes, handouts and outline, you can select portrait or landscape. Then click on OK. So this is the method you can set 16 column 9 resolution in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.